This is Xreal Beam Pro, and in this quick video I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this device. So if your mobile phone feels sluggish or the system performance does not match your expectations and you are looking to do something about it, I recommend that you begin by clearing your RAM cache, or to put it simply, close all background running apps, which you can do by launching the list of recent applications by either making the following swipe or using an appropriate gesture, or perhaps if you have the three button system navigation type selected, you'll need to press the button at the bottom of your screen. Once you'll figure out how to open this list here, just open it and press the clear all button. Then what you might also want to try is to simply restart your phone. So press and hold the power button for a few seconds. I would say 3 to anywhere between 3 and 5 should do. Or if you also, as me, have the Google Assistant inside on your power button, you will need to simultaneously press volume up and power buttons instead of holding the power key. And here simply press restart. And then what you might also want to try is to free up some storage space. The easiest way I can think of is to go with Google Files app, which has a built-in storage cleanup tool. So launch it, then open the clean section here or at the hamburger menu. And now the Google Files app will come up with unique and tailored towards your particular storage situation. Will come up with steps, or just with optimizations perhaps. So just follow all these steps it will suggest. Free up some storage space, make sure that your system at all times has at least some of its storage available, and well, that will be more or less everything you can do about sluggish or lagging back performance on this phone. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.